Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my new update video of class Pathshala. Today I will solve a nice exponential problem 50 to the power 100 by 100 to the power 50, which is will be answer here is given. A known as 50 square, B known is 5 to the power 100, and C is given 25 to the power 100 and D to the power 50. We find out the answer. Here we can write 50 to the power 50 plus 50 by 2 into 50 to the power 50. Here we can write the formula a to the power m plus n equal to here we can write a to the power m into a to the power n. So we write it 50 to the power 50 into 50 to the power 50. Okay, and by to the power 50 into 50 to the power 50, 50 to the power 50 by 50 to the power 50 is cancelled. We can write here 50 by 2 and to the power 50 by dividing by 2 we can write 25 equal to 25 to the power 50 equal to 5 square to the power 50 equal to 50 to the power 2 into 50. We can write here a to the power m n equal to a to the power m n equal to 50 to the power 5 to the power 100. It is the answer here. So B is correct answer. Okay, it is a nice exponential problem. So everybody will be subscribe my channel to get new updated video. Okay, bye bye.